What is going on, guys, and welcome to another video here on my channel. Today an unboxing of the new iPhone 11 in black, and as you can see I have it here already. So it's the 128 gigabyte model, so I thought go with a bit of a bigger space. And yeah, I would say let's not waste any time. Let's just open this up here, peel off the plastic, put this aside, and there we go. Alright, there's the phone. Take it out for now and put it aside. Let's have a quick look what's inside the box. So the usual manual, warranties card, welcome, and as always the Apple stickers. Everyone wants to see them in unboxing, I guess, so put this aside as well. Besides that, we have the classic old charger like it is since years, and the lightning cable, lightning to USB cable. I'll not put that there, but let's leave that in the box for now. And we have the lightning headphones. So nothing changed here from last year's models, and I would say let's get to the star of the show. We have the iPhone 11 in black. So the first thing we notice is the new camera system on this phone. So it's a dual camera now, where one is a regular camera and the other lens is a widescreen. So we only have this little plastic foil on the front. I'll peel this off as well, and now let's have it here. So if you want to compare this to the iPhone 10, for example, so this is the iPhone 10 size-wise. Yeah, you can see it's bigger. It's bigger. All right, so there we have it, the iPhone 11 in black. As you can see, nothing changed to the last year's models except the new camera system. So I would say I'll turn this on real quick and then set it up, and I'll be right back with you. Alright, so the setup is still running, but I still wanted to show you how it looks like right now. So I turned the iPhone 11 on the left side and the iPhone 10 on the right side to full brightness, and as you can see they both look kind of similar. So let's unlock them real quick. You can see the 11's already unlocked, so now the 10 is unlocked as well. And as you can see, I don't know how good that comes across on the camera. The OLED display of the 10, even though it's already 2 years old, looks a bit brighter. The white is more crispy, I would say, but I think you can only really notice that when you hold them next to each other. So probably if you get used to the 11, then you won't notice any big difference. And also if we quickly go to display and brightness, you can see full brightness, and let's turn this to dark mode real quick. So even here they always say the black of the OLED display is way better than on the LCD of the 11, but honestly I can't see that big of a difference, to be honest. I mean, yeah, if you look exactly maybe, but colors look a bit better on the OLED display, you can't deny that. But the LCD is still a nice display. The only issue I see with that with the 11 is maybe the bezels. So let's turn this really quick. Let's turn this back to the light mode here. So as you can see, the bezels maybe are the only issue on the 11, because they are a bit bigger. But yeah, I think also that is a point you get used to it, because I'm used to the smaller bezels on the iPhone 10, and the iPhone 10 generally is a bit smaller, as you can see. But I would say in terms of display, yeah, it's not the same than the OLED on the 11, but it's still not a bad display at all. But I will do a more in detail comparison and if it's worth upgrading from the 10 to the 11 in another video. So here you see the back sides of them too. You see the Apple logo is in the middle now on the 11. So I would say that's it for this first look and unboxing video of the iPhone 11. I hope you guys enjoyed what you've seen. If so, leave a like and hit that subscribe and bell button so you get notified about all upcoming videos here on my channel. And for now, thank you and hope to see you next time.